Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, and we've installed a 30-inch light bar. I want to show you the difference between the amber light bar and the white light bar, and I want to show you exactly what you get in comparison to your factory low beams and high beams. And these are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams. So notice with the high beams, you do get to see a little bit further down the road, and with a 30-inch light bar, everything illuminates around you. These are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams, and that's a 30-inch light bar. This is the amber color. Amber is good for bad weather conditions, such as rain, fog, snow, or even dust. It doesn't reflect back at you like white would be. These are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams, and this is the 30-inch light bar in amber. Factory low beams, factory high beams, light bar in white. So it makes a huge difference in terms of visibility. These are for off-road use only. The slim light bars are in a combo beam pattern, meaning you have a very good balance of distance as well as the width of the beam. You guys are going to absolutely love this product and the amount of light that it puts out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out our step-by-step installation video so that way you guys can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself. I know you guys are going to absolutely love it.